What's up, everybody? We're back and we got another explosive video for y'all today. And guys, I know y'all saw the markets get wrecked today, just like we have been calling for a long time. What have we been saying? We have been saying that these markets are ready to come down. They are overextended, and it looks like our guy Elon Musk is going to lead the way because today he put daggers in Bitcoin, guys. I personally don't see how Bitcoin. You heard the ding. You heard the ding. He put daggers in Bitcoin, guys. Anyways, I don't see how Bitcoin's going to recover from this. All right. I mean, it's going to get ugly and bad. We just had all the climate stuff and the carbon footprint come out. And now, with what he was talking about today, and on top of that, what you're seeing on the screen before you guys, which we're going to get into in a little bit, is not looking good for Bitcoin. There it goes. Ding. It's not looking good for Bitcoin, guys. Anyways, we got a lot to go over. We're going to go over Musk's tweets. I'm going to show y'all a few other things. We're going to go over the charts real quick because, we have to just real quick touch up on the charts, guys. I told y'all yesterday, if it gets crazy tomorrow, I'll be back. And I'm here, guys. It got crazy. I mean, Bitcoin's almost to 40K. I saw it get down to 42K, guys. All right. Right before I started this video, I was looking at it. It was sliding, guys. Same with Ethereum. So we got a lot to get into today. But before we do, I gotta tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Now that that's out of the way, though, guys, let's get right into it. And I mean, look at the big news. Musk implies Tesla may sell or has sold Bitcoin holdings. This is coming from Bloomberg as well. And to make it sweeter, for all y'all who've been rocking with me, I've been showing y'all my lucky numbers 247. Okay, I present to you guys very important pieces of information. My lucky numbers 247 are always with these, pieces of information, and then shit comes true, guys. And on top of that, my phone likes to go ding when I make true statements, which you saw a little bit ago here in this video. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm a hybrid of hybrids. Okay, I'm great at research, and on top of that, I'm very in tune energetically. Okay, I know how to read my reality that my mind is creating. I'm not even going to get into a quantum physics lesson right now. Okay, that's a conversation for a different day. Anyways, we got to get into this news right here. Let's look at some of the tweets because, Musk was tweeting, guys, and I mean, I got to show y'all. This is my guy right here, Crypto Whale. Okay, I've shown his stuff on my channel many times. I love this account. I think it's a great source of information. Anyways, his channel blew up. So real quick, congratulations, Crypto Whale, because you deserve it. Now y'all are like, why did his channel blow up? Well, I'm going to show you why his channel blew up. Let me find the tweet. I had it, but I think it refreshed. Hold on. Where is it? I might have to pause this, guys. Oh, nope. I think this is it. Nope, that's not it. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to pause this. There we go. I found it, guys. So, yeah, Crypto Whale. Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. And look who responds, guys. Elon Musk. And he says, indeed, confirming this. Okay, guys? So they are either selling them all or have sold all their Bitcoin holdings. Okay, guys? And then to make it worse for Bitcoin, I'm telling you, Bitcoin maxis got rocked today. Their world got rocked. All right, they took multiple left hooks. They're probably unconscious right now and don't know what to do, which is why the market's sliding. But anyways, so this guy's tweeting and Musk responds, and this is key, guys. This is, in my opinion, a killer blow. Bitcoin is actually highly centralized, with supermajority controlled by a handful of big mining, aka hashing companies. A single coal mine in Xinjiang flooded, almost killing miners, and Bitcoin hash rate dropped 35%. Does that sound decentralized to you? No, it doesn't, Mr. Musk. That doesn't sound decentralized. What's crazy is when he says it, everybody freaks out and the market starts to tank. But when the Nepster says it a year in advance, nobody want to listen, guys. I mean, I put this post up August 10th, 2020. Look what I got. I mean, guys, it's right here. Bitcoin is centralized. China dominates Bitcoin. They have a stronghold on the mining. They have the majority of the supply. This is August 10th, 2020. Come on, guys. I told you, we get the news way in advance over here, okay? We get the news way in advance. What's news to the masses is confirmation to us because we've been known about this. I mean, that's not the only post. Here's August 23rd, too. I said, do y'all think the United States will allow itself to lose to China? I don't think so. China has 4 miners that control 50% of the Bitcoin mining. All right. This is Chris Larson, one of the head guys at Ripple. Brad Garlinghouse retweeted his tweet. Look what it says. China has near ubiquitous use of digital payments. Check. Piloting state-controlled digital yuan. Check. Has the largest concentration of crypto miners. Check. Come on, guys. Come on. We've been talking about this. All right? But we're that early. Now they're starting to roll out this narrative to the masses because we're in a different part of the rollout phase, okay? And I mean, guys, I think he put daggers in it. And on top of that, he follows it up and just trolls them. Hey, cryptocurrency experts, ever heard of PayPal? I think what he's referring to here is, I think what he's trying to hint them at is like, hey, he knows a thing or two about money. Okay, he's one of the richest people alive, and he started PayPal. Okay, come on, guys. This guy is not a dumbass. Elon Musk is a genius. We all know that. Okay, you're telling me he's just now finding out Bitcoin is highly centralized, and he's figuring out that it's controlled through mining? Well, you think he would have figured this out before he bought all that Bitcoin, right? Come on, guys. This is all coordinated. If I was able to talk about this back in 2020, okay, it's May. It's May 2021. I'm talking about this almost a year ago, okay? 9 months ago. You're telling me Elon Musk didn't know? He couldn't figure it out? Come on, guys. Come on. I know Musk don't got shit on me, but come on, guys. He should have figured that one out too. All right? Anyways, Peter Schiff, if a single Elon Musk tweet can have so much influence over the price of Bitcoin, how can anyone seriously consider it to be money? How can Bitcoin be a safe haven asset if a one-word tweet puts it at risk? It should be clear by now that buying Bitcoin is gambling, not investing. Come on, guys. You invest in utility. You don't invest in speculation. Everyone playing Doge and Bitcoin and all these other trash ass cryptos, they're playing off speculation. When we invest in XRP, it's not speculation. Okay, there's utility, there's fundamentals behind it. Okay, there's institutional money ready to flood into it. Same with Stellar. Okay, same with a few other projects as well. I've given y'all the crypto map. Okay, guys, you know the projects. Guys, Peter Schiff is a money genius. Okay? Money genius. One of the greatest economists I've ever studied. Okay? Man, if I could sit down with anyone on the planet, I'm not saying I'd pick Schiff, but I mean, he'd be in the discussion. Okay? There's a few people on my list. I would love to sit down with Schiff and pick his brain. Okay? This guy is a genius. All right? When it comes to money, when it comes to understanding economics, I don't know too many people who got a grasp the way he does. Okay? But anyways, guys, yeah, it's just killer blows. And look how the market just responded today. I mean, it's pushing now. It's at 45, guys. So it's getting a little push here. Okay? But I don't think this is the spot. I mean, guys, we were just at 42,000. Okay? So it's getting a little push. I do see the volume increasing. I don't think that's the spot, though. All right? I mean, maybe people are speculating like, hey, this could be it. Maybe it comes up a little bit. Gets rejected here at 48 and then comes back down. I think we're going to 40K, guys. Okay, in my opinion. I mean, look at Ethereum struggling as well. Guys, what did we say in yesterday's technical analysis video? We said if 3,500 give out, okay, this is where this wick is right here, 3,500. We said if this little area gives out, it's a free fall. There's nothing to catch it. Guys, do you see any levels here to catch it? No. And that's why this is happening. Okay, that's why this is happening. I don't think this is where the bounce is going to come from. Could a little bounce come? Maybe. I mean, when you look at it, people are like, okay, that could be a good price. But guys, that's not a level. I don't want to play it here. There's too much risk. There's too much risk. Not enough reward. All right? I mean, let's just do a quick long position tool on it. If you were getting right now, I mean, the way you'd have to play, because you don't have any levels, you'd have to get out right below the wick somewhere, okay? You're looking at about 10% risk maybe. Where are you going to target? Okay, maybe the top of this candle? That's not worth it. You're not even at 0.5 to 1 ratio. The moving averages, it's pretty much 1-to-1. That's not worth it either. You're going to come back up to here? You're telling me this here is convincing enough to launch us to here, and you're only going to get 1.5-to-1 ratio? You're willing to take the risk? And if this gives out, it could free fall. You might not even get filled. If enough panic comes when it starts to fall, that's on the table as well. There's no reason to take this trade, guys. The smart money's probably down here waiting for a better opportunity. This is just a bunch of people who are like, oh, the price is coming down. This is my chance to buy the dip. My chance to buy the dip. Buying the dip is an art, guys. It's an art, okay? It requires a lot of patience. This isn't where you want the dip from because you don't have a lot of potential. Okay, the dip you want down here where you have potential for gains and safe places to set your stop loss in order to protect yourself while you're in the trade. Okay, you're minimizing your risk exposure. Okay, you're keeping yourself safe. So if you are wrong, you don't get obliterated. Okay, people who are buying here thinking Ethereum is going to make them rich are getting obliterated. All right. So I mean, I'm not trying to be in either one of these projects, and then just add in, our guy Musk just wrecking these guys, okay? Just wrecking them. All right. Anyways, let's get into XRP real quick. XRP is telling an interesting story. Yesterday we thought it was gonna shoot for that resistance, and it looks like it didn't, guys. Things shifted. That's why fundamentals are key. That's why we want to have plans for both, okay? We were expecting it to go challenge up here. It didn't do that because the market doesn't give a fuck what we expect. It doesn't give a fuck what we, project or guess or think. It just does what it does, all right? You want to be fluid, and you want to be able to flow with whatever it's doing, okay? If it's showing you something, hey, this is coming down, you switch. But so many people lock into a bias. They're like, no, I said it's going up, I'm gonna stick with it. I gotta be right. Or no, it's going down, I'm gonna stick with it. That is not what you should be. You shouldn't even be in the market if that's what you're here for. The fuck? We're here to make money and not lose money. All right? If you're out here more concerned about proving that you're right or wrong, you're in the wrong game. Okay, you are in the wrong game. Now, as of right now, let's get back to it real quick. As of right now, with XRP, we got our low, we got a higher low. Okay, if this area gives out, okay, because this is where the big buyer has established himself. Okay, this is where he started to make his move. All right, he said, I like this price, fill it. And that's what he was able to do. Now, does he have a lot of money? Because that's as far as he could take it. But maybe he just didn't want to buy more up here. And if that's the case, he could have pulled his orders out, let the sellers, outbid themselves and bring it down to here. And he's holding. Okay, so he could be accumulating right here if he's still there. Okay, if there's a big whale here, he could be accumulating at this price because he likes it. Now, if he doesn't have as much money as the sellers, this is going to give out, okay? This is going to give out. And if it gives out, we're probably coming down to $1.10. That's the next level. All right. So we're trying to see how much money does he really have? Is he really a baller? Or are the sellers, and do they have more control? Are they bigger ballers than him right now? Okay, he has a few things on his side. We got a low and a higher low. Okay. But at the same time, we have a high and a lower high. Okay. So now we're trying to see who's going to win. I think we're going to find out in a little bit here, guys. All right. And I mean, it's just crazy. The weekly, we had the weekly close. You see how things get crazy with the weekly? I mean, look at the story the weekly's given us, guys. The weekly is now below. The body closed below. We got a nice wick. Okay? We got a nice wick. But the body's below that $1.50 going into the week. That doesn't necessarily mean it's going to come down, but it just kind of gives a little more favor to the sellers, in my opinion. All right? But again, we have a whole week. We gotta see how this candle plays out. So we'll see as the week develops. And remember, Friday the 21st, we got that hearing with Ripple and the SEC. Okay, their telephonic court hearing. So that's gonna be a big thing too, especially because that's happening towards the end of the week. So a lot can change. A lot can change right now, guys. Anyways, I mean, let's keep moving on. Stellar Lumens, 67 cents. Okay, but look at Stellar holding above that key level. All right, I think Stellar might be ready to move, guys. It's holding above, but we're going to have to wait and see because right now, Ethereum, Not looking good. We're getting that pullback. I think, maybe it ranges a little bit, starts coming down. I think that's on the table. We'll know a lot about Ethereum when we see what happens here around the 3,029,900 mark, okay? Because if this area gives out where this buyer, made his move, then we're coming down to here for sure. This is the key area in my opinion, okay? When we get down to this level, this 3,000 range, how we play there, okay? Anyways, I told you guys it's not going to be a super detailed analysis. We're just, touching base on things. Here's Ethereum on the daily, all right? Not really what you want to see. I know it's a little hammer right now, but I just don't like the placement. All right, I don't like how close we are to this resistance. The 50's right here. All right, 50 moving average is right here. That's 28.6, guys. That means 3,000 is going to give out. Okay, if we go back, this candle right here, that's 29. If we get to 28, where the 50 moving average is on the daily, let me switch back. If we get to right here, guys, that means we took out that big blue candle. That big blue candle starts right here. That's this move. Okay, that big blue candle is all of this. Okay? And if this goes out, then we're coming down. And I don't think this is the spot. In my opinion, I don't think that's the spot. I think we'll probably get that 2,500. We're not that far from there. It's going to be a much better risk to reward setup. Okay, it's a key level. It's a daily level. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty bearish. I mean, this the 4-hour chart. It's just ready to free fall. There's nothing to catch it. We got our moving averages crossing over. I think people are gonna spend. It's gonna be Monday now. What is it? It is Monday. Yep, Monday the 17th. Okay, it's 1:30 in the morning as I record this. So guys, I mean, the institution's about to get back in. News is going to cover all this today. They're back in and everything, guys. I think this is really going to start to hit the masses, okay? I think everyone's going to start to get all this news tomorrow and the next day. Because now people are going to talk about the things he mentioned. They're going to talk about, mining being centralized. Because this was one of the main tweets, okay? Oh, sorry. Right here, okay? And hashing. This is going to become a talking point. And then they're also going to be talking about this, and this, and how, like, they probably sold their holdings. Okay, guys? He loves crypto. Musk loves crypto, guys. I mean, let me find it here. 1 second. Am I on his page? Yep, I'm on his page. Find it real quick. There it is, guys. Look at that, May 13th, Ascension Day. To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. Come on, guys. Come on. It's very apparent now, okay? It should be. If it's not, it should be by now, guys. What more do you need? The narrative is getting established, okay? Anyways, let's wrap this up here. We're just gonna go over Bitcoin a little bit. Bitcoin, the level gave out, guys. Okay, the level gave out. We were right here yesterday. Okay, we were in this area. We're like, oh, it's barely getting into the level. And then look at that. Didn't do shit. Okay, the 20 was enough to just dump it. That mixed with, Elon Musk. We're at 44.9 right now, guys. We're at 44.9. Okay? And I mean, are you confident? Does this make you think, hey, this is the place to buy? Buyers are excited now? No, guys. It's not a defined point yet. It doesn't have a safe entry and a clear target. This isn't the area. It's too risky. People are still going to take the trades. People are still going to gamble because most people don't know what they're doing. But you, my students here, okay? You guys understand that this isn't the reason. This isn't the way, okay? You don't have enough criteria met to take the trade. Okay, it's not about the money. It's about trading correctly. When you trade correctly, the money is a byproduct. Don't get caught up in just the money. Oh, I could catch it here at this is 43,000. Fuck it. It's got to go up a little bit. I'll just take it at this price. No. That's emotional trading, guys. We don't do that. All right? We do intelligent trading, not emotional trading. We think clearly. We research. We get our precision, guys. Get the scope. Boom, 4772. I know y'all saw it. Come on, guys. Precision, baby. That's what we do here. All right? And we've been saying this since like my first video. I believe I drew these boxes on my very first video, guys, and I've been saying since the very first video, this shit right here, 50K, doesn't hold. It's just a matter of time. And look, guys, did we call that or what? All right. We said 40K's next. And here we come. I mean, we were just at 42K not that long ago. We're at 44.7 right now. All right. So we'll come down probably 41, 42. Okay. Really the top of this box here. So like 41, 4, 7, 2, 5, 4. That's where the cursor's at right now. Come on. The precision. Lucky numbers, guys. We are just reading this. So we'll probably come down to there. All the way down to here, guys. 37958 range. Okay, a little bit under a little bit under 38,000. Maybe a quick poke. I think that's the level. All right, I expect a pretty cool bounce from there, but I don't think it's going to be one that launches us into a bull market. If anything, it's probably going to just set our new higher low somewhere in here. Maybe we'll reclaim 50 real quick, or get rejected at 50, and then I think we're going to come down, guys. But who knows, because again, we got Musk out there, and he looks like he's ready to end Bitcoin, all right? From bringing up carbon taxes and carbon footprints and all that, and needing green cryptos, to now bringing the topping or the talking point of centralization. Okay, let me tell you guys, Bitcoin is not decentralized. A lot of these maxis are going to tell you it's decentralized because they think what decentralized means is no government controls it. And Bitcoin was created by an anonymous person, so we don't know who created it, which means nobody has control over it. The system runs itself. What they fail to realize is that it is centralized through its mining pool. Okay, if you have the most supercomputers solving these algorithms that unlock the Bitcoin, you're going to get released most of Bitcoin. And if you have most of Bitcoin, you can dictate what's going to happen to the network. You could just have 60% of all the Bitcoin and not sell any of it or put it into circulation anymore. Okay, or you could sell it all at once. Okay, I mean, there's so many things you can do with it. You have say over the market, and you don't want that, okay? And that's why we want XRP. XRP, you can't do that. It's truly decentralized. Anybody can set up a node and run the ledger, okay, guys? No one party controls it, okay? There's no need for the mining and whatnot, okay? And because it's bank and institutional tech, you gotta remember, the banks and the institutions don't trust each other. That's why they need something like XRP that can provide the trust. Okay? And for it to provide the trust, it has to make sure none of these parties can be the main central control. All right? With Bitcoin, somebody can be, and somebody is. All right? It's whoever's controlling those miners and has a majority of the supply. Okay? And it's looking like that's China. That's what it's looking like. It could, in my opinion, though, I am not open, or I'm not closed off to the idea that's really the United States. Okay, maybe the United States is the one controlling this. Who knows? I'm open to all things. We just know somebody's controlling it. All right? And then, I mean, add in Tether and how it's just printing all these USDTs out of thin air and buying up the price, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if Tether's printing right now. I really wouldn't be surprised. Anyways, Bitcoin, let's finish it up. Oh. Not the 3-day, the 1-day. Look, guys, this isn't the spot. Okay, there could be a little bounce here. We had a bounce here before and here. Okay, so there could be a little bounce here, but this isn't the real spot. This isn't where all the excitement is. Look what happened last time. It just did that. And then before that, what did it do? Over here, it just did that. Okay, guys, this isn't an exciting place to buy Bitcoin. It's just not. That's why I think down here is probably where we're coming. Now you see more excitement. Okay, let me get you right. You see that? Look at that all the way through the level. That's more exciting. Okay, volume wasn't as great for something so massive, but still, visually, that representation is going to give a lot of people confidence. Okay, especially because in the past it was resistance. Pulled back and then took off and we cleared it nice. Okay, we cleared that area nice. So I think this is the next level we're going to start to play off of. All right? And this isn't the spot. I mean, are you going to set your stop here right by this support level? The top of this support level? Come on, guys. And what are you targeting? The top of this? Or the top here? Or the moving averages? Or this big red candle? or 60K, come on, guys. It's just not favorable. It's not favorable. Okay? If you're taking this trade, you're just gambling at this point. You're not doing a real technical analysis. You're not using real risk management. All right? And that's what we need to do to be successful. That's why I'm doing this channel. I'm trying to get y'all good at this. Look at this big red candle. You're telling me it's just we're just gonna have this big red weekly candle, and then all of a sudden we're gonna take off. This is exciting. Everyone's like, okay, that's our signal, and we're at the 20 moving average. Guys, look where our 50 is on the weekly. It's closer to the 30s. All right, it is closer to the 30s. That's crazy. That thing's coming down. That's the real place, in my opinion. That's why the box is there. I would take the trade on Bitcoin down here. A trade, not an investment. I'll never invest in Bitcoin, okay? I am not a long-term holder. I might own fractions of a Bitcoin, and that's just because I was using the Bitcoin to buy other projects, okay? And that was just the leftovers. I do not have any long-term holdings. I don't have any desire to have any long-term holdings, okay? Why would I want to hold something that's going to be worthless and is ancient already? Okay, it's outdated tech. It's just got a great marketing scheme right now. But I think Elon Musk ended that marketing scheme because now these talking points are going to come up and we're going to need answers, okay? Here's the problem with Bitcoin maxis, though. The problem with Bitcoin maxis is they don't like facts. They just want to be right about Bitcoin. So they ignore things like what Musk brought up today. They ignore things like carbon footprint, okay? And electrical demands, okay? Energy demands. They ignore this kind of stuff. They ignore Tether and the Tether scandal, okay? That's why Bitcoin maxis are dangerous. They don't really research. They want to just be right because that's what they picked and it fits their narrative that they were introduced to. Guys, I played a win, okay? When I first got in crypto, I too thought Bitcoin was the one. Okay, but as I learned the space, as I did my research, guys, okay, as I studied and grew as an investor and a trader, I realized it wasn't the one. Okay, as I learned the psychology of the market, I learned that it wasn't the one. And now look, over a year now I've been preaching what? XRP, XRP, and all y'all watching this video want XRP more than Bitcoin. I know that for a fact. I know that for a fact. Okay, guys, we saw XRP go from 20 cents to $1.96. Did it fast. Okay? It would have kept going. It's just getting suppressed on purpose. They don't want it to run yet. Alright, XRP is the chosen one. We're going to win this tech war, this financial tech war. We have the best technology ever. You don't think the United States wants to stay the leader in the world economy? In money? Come on, guys. They're not going to take some other country's tech. They're going to use their own. And luckily, we got the best one. All right? That's why everything with the SEC is going down right now. It's happening here in America because we're leading the way. We got the tech. We got the tech. And the world's ready to use it. They're like, America, we want it. Let's go. Boom. All right? We're influencers here. All right? I know it's crazy. I know a lot of people think America's bad right now and whatnot. Y'all just don't understand. America's not bad, okay? America's the greatest fucking country ever created. And it's giving us the opportunity to change our lives by buying these digital assets before everything goes up. All right. I know sometimes we have complications. Oh, we have to use all these exchanges. Oh, I can't get XRP right now because of a lawsuit. Okay, I know there's challenges, but it's not impossible for us. Okay, guys? And we've had this opportunity for a long time. Crypto's been around for like a decade now. Okay, it's just now starting to get more popular. That's why a lot of you newbies are here starting to realize what this is and trying to see what you can do to get involved and position yourselves properly. Well, I'm telling you, to position yourself properly, you need to educate yourself. You need to invest in yourself. People ask me all the time, what's the best investment you can make, guys? I'm going to tell you right now, the best investment is the one you make in yourself, okay? That's even better than investing in XRP. I couldn't even have invested in XRP if I never invested in myself because I would have not had the education and the knowledge needed to see the play in order to make the investment, okay? And then to survive while holding the investment. So you need to invest in yourself first. Luckily, you got the Nebster out here, and he's giving you free education. He's giving you free game. Okay, guys? And on top of that, I'm working on a digital course to really take y'all to another level. Okay, and that's going to be out soon. I'm working hard on it, guys. I have a deadline. We're not far from the deadline. All right, guys? I'm going to get y'all nasty. Y'all been rocking with me. It's the least I can do. You think I'm here to just let y'all waste your time? I've told y'all I'm here to get y'all good at this. Okay? Because what I do works. Okay? The way I play works. Why does it work? Because I have studied the way the best play. What did Kobe do? He studied who? The best. Okay? He studied Michael Jordan. All right? Same here. All right? I feel like I'm Kobe of the crypto game right now. All right? I'm studying the GOATs before me. And I'm ready. All right? I'm ready. I'm getting more than 5 rings, though. I'm getting rings every year for the rest of my life. I'm never losing again, guys. All right? Because we know how to play. We're always growing. We're always advancing. Anyways, though, guys, I think we're going to wrap it up on that. Okay, for short term, just to wrap it up, I mean, just to sum it up, like, so we kind of know where we want to leave off with Bitcoin. We're either coming down to 40K to play a little bounce, or we're probably going to get a little push here, maybe to like a little bit over 50. Okay, in my opinion, that's the guess. But what I'm doing, I'm waiting for 40K. I'm not speculating and gambling and trying to get in right now for a short-term trade on Bitcoin. Ethereum, it's coming down, guys. All right? It's coming down. I think we're coming down to under 3,000. Okay? Especially with it, being Monday later. Or later. It is Monday. But I mean, like, the day starting in America later. All right? And people, like, waking up to even more of this. Okay? And then XRP, I mean, you know what we're doing with XRP. We're just filling the bag, guys, and we're looking for the best opportunities. Could it come down? Of course. Could it explode? Of course. This is the hardest one to read because XRP is like a coiled spring. It literally, any second, it could take off. Any second. Okay, guys? So with XRP, we're just looking for great opportunities. Technical analysis is a little more challenging with XRP because the fundamentals are so powerful. It could easily push up to $1.50. We're over $1.40 right now. Or we could probably come down and test this 50 moving average, guys. If we give out on this 133, we're probably coming down to $1.25, $1.20 range. Okay, guys? That to me is not the real level. So if that's what happens, I think we're probably going to come back down to $1.10. And if that's occurring, that means Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably melting and they're taking XRP down with it. Because fundamentally, with all the things coming up as well, XRP doesn't really have a reason that it needs to be going down. Okay, guys? It really should be exploding. So anyways, we'll leave it at that, guys. Again, I'm sending y'all all the love. I'm sending y'all all the light. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. I hope y'all got some good game from it and everything. I may be back again tomorrow with another video. I may not. We'll see how the markets play out, guys. I'm expecting an exciting week, though. All right, so be alert. Be ready to make plays. Have your plans ready, okay? Preparation is key. Know what you're going to do if these prices start going up. Know what you're going to do if the prices start coming down. Have entries, okay? Like, use your discipline. Use your patience, okay? Don't buy into the FOMO, okay? Don't have that FOMO. That's not going to help you. That makes you emotional. Emotional is not what you want to be when you're making decisions, especially financial decisions. Okay, guys? Anyways, y'all know where I am, okay? Follow me on, social media. I'll put my links in the bio. I'm getting ready to start using my Nebby Star Trader Instagram full time, guys. So I'm going to be breaking news there. Okay, that's going to be Nebby Star Trader on Instagram. I got it made. I just haven't been using it much, but I'm getting ready, guys. I just got a few more things I want to get, put together before I make the full shift and whatnot. All right, guys? But yeah, reach out to me if you need anything. I'm always reading the comments. Feel free to leave comments, guys. Likes help the channel a lot. I got a couple more subscribers. I think we're at 57, so we're pushing for 60, guys. I'm ready to hit 60. All right? But yeah, I'm sending y'all love. I'm sending y'all light, and I will see you at the next video. And look, guys, we ended at 4127. Oh, it just changed. That's funny. All right, guys. See you next time.